If you're tired of your gears sliding around or you're worried about damaging your truck bed, a quality ladder rack changes everything. But here's the thing, not all racks are created equal. Some wobble after a month, others don't fit right, and a few are just overpriced junk. I've spent weeks digging through real user reviews, forum discussions, and testing feedback to find racks that actually deliver. All these products are available on Amazon with links in the description box below so you can grab them with Prime shipping. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, we've got the VEVOR truck ladder rack. Right off the bat, you're looking at load capacities between 800 to 1,000 pounds depending on which model you choose. That's serious hauling power. One user on a contractor forum mentioned loading over 500 pounds of lumber 12-foot lengths and driving it across town without a single issue. The rack didn't budge. Now, installation. This is where VEVOR really shines. It's a no-drill setup using either J-bolts or C-clamps, meaning you're not punching holes in your truck bed. The width adjusts from 46 inches all the way to 71 inches, so whether you're running a Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado, or Dodge Ram, it fits. Height adjustability goes from 19 to 34 inches, which gives you flexibility for different cargo types. Here's something to consider though. If you've got a tonneau cover or toolbox already installed, this rack won't play nice with them. You'll need to remove those first. It's a trade-off, but if you're serious about hauling oversized materials, it's worth it. The price point sits in the mid-range, but the build quality justifies every dollar. Users consistently mention that it feels solid and secure, which is exactly what you want when you're cruising at highway speeds with a ladder strapped on top. Check the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Coming in at number 2 is the AA-Racks truck ladder rack. What sets AA racks apart is their reinforced double-barred middle section design. Unlike cheaper single-bar racks that can bend or dent after a few heavy loads, this thing is built like a tank. We're talking high-grade aluminum that's been inspected by their quality control team. It won't easily dent, and it distributes weight evenly across the structure. The dimensions are 71 inches wide by 28 inches high, and it supports up to 800 pounds when the load is evenly distributed. The overcab design means you can haul really long materials without them hanging way off the back of your truck. Installation? Again, no drilling required. It comes with 8 universal mounting clamps that lock onto your truck bed rails. Most users report getting it installed in under 30 minutes with basic tools. Here's a cool feature, rope hooks on all 4 uprights. Sounds simple, but when you're strapping down awkward loads or need multiple tie-down points, those hooks are lifesavers. Plus, you can grab cantilever extension accessories that add 38 inches of extra carrying capacity if you regularly haul longer items. The one thing to watch for, the height might be a bit much if you have a low clearance garage. Some Tacoma owners mentioned it sits about 6 to 8 inches taller than needed, which cause them clearance headaches. Measure your garage door height before ordering. Number 3 is the MaxxHaul truck ladder rack. Let's be real, not everyone needs to haul 1,000 pounds of steel beams. If you're a weekend warrior carrying kayaks, canoes, or occasional lumber runs, this 500-pound capacity rack handles it beautifully without breaking the bank. It's all steel construction with a black powder coat finish that resists rust and wear, and users report it holding up well even after months of daily contractor use. The vertical supports have triangular gussets for added stability, which is a nice touch at this price point. Width adjusts from 52 to 71 inches, and the arms go from 19 to 34 inches, so it fits most standard truck beds. Installation uses the J-bolt mounting system, no drilling required. It comes with rectangular anchor points on the crossbars, giving you multiple options for strapping down your gear. And they included plastic end caps that keep water and debris out of the support tubes. Small detail, but it extends the life of the rack. The trade-off? That 500-pound capacity. If you're a contractor hauling heavy materials daily, you'll want something beefier. But if you're an outdoors enthusiast or DIY homeowner, this rack does exactly what you need at a fraction of the cost. Another bonus, it's super easy to remove when you don't need it. Some users keep it in their garage and only mount it when they're hauling something. It takes just a few minutes to install or remove. Check the description box for the link and current deals. Number 4 is the ECOTRIC Universal Truck Ladder Rack. If maximum load capacity is your main concern, ECOTRIC brings it. This rack uses automotive-grade steel that's built to handle serious weight. The powder coat finish resists rust and wear, and users report it holding up well even after months of daily contractor use.
The adjustable center brace is key here. It helps distribute weight evenly across the rack, which prevents sagging when you load up heavy materials. The overcab design lets you haul those extra long pieces without them sticking way off the back of your truck. Size-wise, it adjusts from 58 to 69 inches wide, fitting both short and long bed trucks. The dimensions are about 55 inches wide by 140 inches long by 32 inches high, so it's substantial. You're getting a full-size professional-grade rack here. Installation can be done without drilling, and it comes with all the hardware and instructions you need. Multiple tie-down points give you flexibility for securing different types of cargo: ladders, lumber, pipes, whatever you're hauling. Here's the catch. Because of the size, it ships in 2 separate packages. That's not a deal breaker, but be ready to receive 2 deliveries and assemble multiple components. The assembly takes longer than simpler racks, probably 45 minutes to an hour if you're doing it solo. Grab a buddy and some cold drinks and it goes much faster. The other consideration is price. With that 1,000-pound capacity comes a higher price tag, but if you're running a business or consistently hauling heavy loads, this rack pays for itself in peace of mind. You won't worry about whether your rack can handle the job. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the JY Performance Truck Ladder Rack. JY Performance has been in the auto parts game since 2005, and they've built a solid reputation for quality. This rack has been gaining serious traction on Amazon, especially among Ford Maverick and mid-size truck owners. The construction uses 10-gauge steel that's 3 millimeters thick with black powder coating. It's been tested to handle 800 pounds, and it includes rope hooks on all 4 uprights for secure tie-downs. The build quality feels premium without the premium price. Here's what makes this interesting. You get to choose your installation method. There's a J-bolt clamp version that requires 0 drilling, perfect if you want to keep your truck bed pristine, or you can go with the bolt-on version that drills into the bed for maximum security. That flexibility is pretty rare. The rack is adjustable and extendable to fit compact, mid-size, and long bed trucks. Users report it works great for kayaks, lumber, ladders, and oversized cargo. One Ford Maverick owner mentioned switching from a $1,000 plus rack to this $100 option and being completely satisfied with the performance. Installation is straightforward with included hardware and clear instructions. Most people get it done in 30 to 45 minutes. The potential downside, being a newer player compared to brands like AA racks, there's less long-term data on durability. The reviews are strong, but we don't have years of field testing like some established brands. That said, the feedback so far is overwhelmingly positive, and the price point makes it a low-risk option to try. That's the breakdown on the 5 best ladder racks you can grab right now. Each one serves a different need, from weekend adventures to heavy-duty contractor work. Thanks for watching, safe travels out there, and I'll see you in the next one.